Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can use Google Ads to promote Clickbank products. So before we dive into how to, let's talk briefly about what Clickbank is. So Clickbank is an online marketplace that allows you to promote other people's product as an affiliate. So when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. So it's that simple. But the real challenge is getting traffic to those links. That's where Google Ads comes in. So Google Ads is an advertising platform where you can create ads that appear on Google search results, YouTube, or even across millions of websites in Google's display network. It's a pay-per-click system, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. So it's super important to get your targeting right so that you're paying for clicks that actually convert. Now let me show you how to create ad for a ClickBank product. So the first step here is choose the right product to promote. So you just have to log in with your account on ClickBank. And then from here, just need to go to dashboard and then find the marketplace. So what you're going to do here on marketplace, you just have to search for a product that has a high gravity score. So this score indicates that the product is popular and people are buying it. But you need to be careful. High competition can drive up your ad costs, so find a good balance here. So for example, you want these ads to basically promote this one, right? So you need to click the promote button right here on the right side. So fill up the information here. So my tracking link, so just copy on it. So as you can see, now you just have to basically head over to Google Ads dashboard, and here just have to find a new campaign button or create a campaign. So you just have to select the create a campaign without goals guidance and then choose search or display depending on where you want your ads to appear. As you can see here on your screen, choose your objective. You have different options here. For example, you want a app promotion. So just click on it and then select campaign type. And then here, select a campaign subtype. Select your mobile apps platform. And then also the campaign name. Right. So in this case, I'm going to just select any of this and try to click on continue button. Now I'm going to click on sales, for example. So from here, you just have to select either search, display, or whatever you want for campaign type. So in this case, I'm going to select on search, basically. And then if you're going to scroll it down, you'll find here any options like the ways you'd like to reach your goal. So I'm going to select on website visits, right? Now you can choose your sales conversion goals here if you want purchase or purchase subscription, and you can turn on enhance conversions and then click on agree and continue. So here you just have to select what do you want to focus on. So basically this one here, for example, is conversion. And then here just you can check this customer acquisition here for acquiring new customers, and then just have to set up your daily budget. I recommend starting small, $10 to $20 a day, and you can always scale up once you see positive results here. Now, a key tip here, make sure to set your location targeting to the countries where your product is most likely to convert, right? If you're promoting a product that works well in the US, for example, you don't want to be paying for clicks in countries where people are less likely to buy. So the third step here is set up your ad groups and targeting. So you'll want to use targeted keywords that are relevant to your product. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, so the target keywords like best weight loss supplements or how to lose weight fast. Now, on the next one here is by writing compelling ads. So we need to write your ad copy, and it's very crucial. You need to grab attention fast and make sure to include the benefits of the product in your headline description. Right. So for example, instead of just saying buy now, you can see something like lose weight fast, right? This proven supplements or just like that. And then don't forget to add a strong call to action like get yours today or limited time offer. And then once your ad is live, it's time to monitor your campaign. So you can just check your click-through rate, CTR, conversions, and cost per conversions. So you may need to adjust your keywords or ad copy if you're not seeing results. So as you can see, Google Ads is all about testing and optimizing. So don't be afraid to make tweaks as you go. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.